To reset WMS devices to the factory settings, there is an option to use Load Tool Factory Settings in WMS Studio Pro. If a project file is already open, all of the devices from the WMS project are displayed in the dialog window. To check whether it relates to the required device, a waving command can be triggered by pressing the icon in the corresponding row. Depending on the device type, at least one LED will light up or a short move command will be triggered for sun shading products. The device is selected with a single click. Several devices can also be selected and reset at the same time. The loading process is then started via the Start Action button. The green status confirms that the reset was successful. Alternatively, there is also an option to directly enter the serial number of the WMS device. The serial number is entered directly in the text field and the device is added to the list. The added device is selected directly and loading the factory settings can be triggered directly via the Start Action button. If it is a battery-operated device, it must be woken up beforehand. The green status appears following the reset.